Hi, my name is Mary Malone, and I'm a customer engagement specialist at Innovia Consulting. Innovia Consulting is a Microsoft VAR, and we focus on Business Central. So our company really focuses on helping other companies get the most out of the Business Central Dynamics 365 universe, but with a real focus on Business Central. DynamicsCon Live, I like people, and I like people in 3 dimensions. And I'm tired of seeing people on computer screens. I mean, that's, I know some people, that's the way they prefer to do business, but I'm old school. So I love the chance to talk to people and interact with people and learn new things. I mean, all of those things together that you can technically do on your computer, but it's a heck of a lot more fun when you're actually with people. I like user groups. I've worked in a variety of things all throughout my career, and I think user groups are the coolest thing because I like the community that it creates around shared interests and the ability to learn things from each other and make each other better. And a big part of that is it's free, right? I mean, I work for a consulting firm. If everybody used Doug to the extent possible, they wouldn't need us in some ways, and I'm kind of okay with that. But I like user-generated content and user-generated ideas, and I like people coming together and sort of common problem solving, like doing that all together and in person.